Andito kami ngayon sa may QNCC for Sarah and Bamboo Diving Kata. Punta namin sa may entrance. Brought to you by Boss Coffee, Papa John's. Wow! Ang daming people. For Sarah G and Bamboo.
Sino ba daw dami na malakas sa loob niya? Dahil dapat na tao.
Yung pala yung x-ray. Kanina nag-aanap tayo ng x-ray. O yan o. Ang daming tao na. Akala ko late na kami sa sobrang daming people. Tickets here. So dito yung mga ticket kung may gusto pang bumili.
Silver bronze only.
Okay. You get the wristband here. Wristband for silver. Silver. Okay. Meron kami na wristband. Yeah! Hindi na natin kita.
Huwag tayo sa sa gitna. O gusto mo saan mas magandang punas ko? Dito sa side or dun sa gitna ko?
Sa side siguro.
Yung pala may tubig dito.
Dito na tayo? Dito sa dito? Dito na tayo.
Ano, gusto mo dito? Pwede na dito, no? Hirap kasi pag nasa gitna.
Oo.
Kita mo pa rin naman yun.
Akala ko. Ang daming people. Yun lang.
Here at the QNCC Exhibition Hall. You may know them from the Candid with Candy show on Kabayan Radio 94.3 every Tuesday evening. These two are here to...
side, and everything gets in the way. See you in your place, and I'm the one who won't stay. Oh, in this world, it's just us. No, it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. No, it's not the same as it was. As it was. As it was. You know it's not the same. Never said before, I haven't you all alone. Why are you sitting at home on the floor? What kind of clothes are you on?
UNCC. After how many years? Nandito ulit kami, nakabalik. Ay, ano to? Lego. Lego.
Baka lang ko kasi
UNC.
tayo kasi pababa siya dito.
Oh, Lego shows Qatar, kaya pala visit Qatar. UNCC.